Darband, formerly a village close to Tajrish Shemiran, is a neighborhood inside Tehran's metropolitan limits. It is the beginning of a popular hiking trail into Mount Tochal, which towers over Tehran. A chairlift is also available for those not interested in hiking. The Persian term Darband translates to door of the mountain. The initial start of the trail at Darband is about 250 meters long and is dotted with a number of small cafes and restaurants that are quite popular and are busy in the evenings, as locals and tourists alike visit the many hookah lounges along the trail. I hope you one day go to Darband. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit the like and leave the comment, and make sure to hit subscribe button and turn on your notification. And finally, I hope to see you in the next video.